This is the DJI Mini 4 Fly More Combo drone with 4K UHD camera. I've had this for 1 year and here are my likes and dislikes. All right, so the first thing I really love about this is how easy it is to control. It is so effortless. I'm in my car, I don't even need to see the drone, and I know that it's perfectly safe where it is, and I can control it in any direction. It's wind resistant up to 38 kilometers per hour, which is level 5, and you really notice the difference. I had some cheaper drones that really didn't have the proper wind resistance, and it was terrible. I kept crashing it every 2 seconds, but this one has supreme wind resistance. Another thing that I really love about this is it's under 249 grams, which means it does not require FAA registration or remote ID for recreational use. Now, it has 4K ultra high definition and a 3-axis gimbal, which means that it just shoots really good footage. The gimbal allows for stabilization, which means you won't get any shiftiness or any awkward video. You end up getting this crystal clear 4K resolution. The video transmission speed is up to 10 kilometers, so there's no interference. I find it works seamless, perfectly there, no problems. They advertise 93 minutes battery life. I'd say you get about 80-ish on a good day. Depends if you use sport mode or normal mode or cinematic. I use normal mode. I would always like more battery juice. That's the only thing maybe negative I could say. But definitely going to need the 3 batteries. 1 battery just won't be enough. One of the other things that I really love about this is the takeoff landing. It's super easy to take off. When you first start it up, it just floats above the ground and waits for your command. Another great feature is when the battery's low, it just comes back to its original takeoff point on its own. You don't even have to do anything, so you don't have to worry about it running out of battery juice and just running into the bushes somewhere. So overall, I absolutely love this drone, and I hope this helps you on getting your next DJI Mini 4K Fly More Combo drone.